So today I will be discussing one of DP problem, that is longest palindromic substring. So what the question says is, given a string S, return the longest palindromic substring in S. So here are the examples, like if input S is equal to BABAD, then output BAB, or we can have answer as a ABA is also a valid answer. Okay, there are 3 and 4 example also, and we have the constraints on this question, that its length will be greater than equal to 1 and which is less than equal to 1000, and S consists of only digits and English letters, lowercase and or uppercase letters. Okay, so to solve this, I will be following the expand around centers, expand around method or approach, you can say. So why we are following that, or not we, why I'm following that method? Because there is a one key observation. Consider the string. We have given a string Nitin. Okay, so if you observe that, if and this Nitin is a Nitin string is a palindrome string. Okay, so if we consider a T as a centers, we have the mirrors, palindrome mirrors around the 8 centers. That is, Ni will be the mirror to the Rn. Okay, so that's why I'm following the expand around centers. So we can solve this problem in quadratic time complexity, that is n square, using constant space. The key observation is that palindrome mirrors around the centers. Therefore, palindrome can be expanded from center, and there are only 2n minus 1 such centers. So that's why we have the time complexity as a n square. You might be thinking why there are m minus 1 but not n centers. The reason is that is the center of a palindrome can be between the two letters. Such a palindromes have even numbers of letters, such as AB, AB, BA. So here the centers lies between the two beats space. That here the center will be lies. So that's why we have the 2n minus 1 centers for the given string. Okay, so let's start coding. Okay, so go to the here. First, we will check the base condition, like if s is equal to null or s dot length is less than 1, then return empty string. Okay, then we will have two pointers. One pointer will be pointed to the start for the output, and one pointer will be the end of that input, will be initializing to the on. Okay, then we will have one helper method, that is to check the palindrome uh, around its centers for given characters or given index. Okay, so let's have its name as expand around center. Okay, string str and left and right. Okay, so let's have two local pointer, that is left and r is equal to right, and while l greater than equal to 0 and r less than str dot length and str dot char at l is equal to str dot char at r. Okay, if this condition is satisfied, then we are going to left, and also we are also expanding to the right. Okay, once we come out of this loop, then we are returning the length, that is r minus l minus 1. Okay, so this is a helper method which help us to means find the expand around. We will be expanding around the given index, or uh, for each index or each centers of a string. Okay, so let's consider, uh, let's write the for loop int I is equal to 0, I less than uh, s dot length I plus plus. Okay, here we will have the n, len 1 is equal to expand around center. Okay, here we will pass the yes, I and I. Okay, so in first case we are considering the current index as a centers. Okay, and for second time we will consider the space between the two characters. So for this we will pass around center as yes, I and I plus 1. So we are calling this because we are considering the center as a character itself, and for this we are considering center as a space between the two characters. Okay, then let's find out the length max of this math dot max len 1 len 2. Okay, and then if len is greater than end minus start, then we need to reset our pointers, that is start is equal to I minus len minus 1 divided by 2, right? Because we are here in this method we are going left from the centers, and then this is for left, and for end we will adding the len by 2, right? And then once we all done, then we returning the substring, return yes dot substring as yes start and plus 1. Okay, so we are adding 1 because we are consider the zero base indexing. So that's why like we means when we do the substring, then like we need to count the number of characters. Okay, so this is for the substring, and then let's try to submit the score. Let's see what happened. Okay, so it got accepted. Let me submit. Okay, so it accepted now. Okay, so that's it. Thanks for watching. Bye.